Did you know that factory automation is easy with SoundCheck? It offers full TCP IP control. This means that SoundCheck can communicate with any programming language that can send or receive TCP IP commands, like Python, C# or LabVIEW. The program can be running locally or over the network on any operating system. Using these commands, there is no need to even have operators open SoundCheck directly on the factory floor. Instead, a script could be written to open SoundCheck in the background, run a specific test sequence, then pass the output back to the external program or data management system. Furthermore, sequence parameters such as limits and stimuli can be stored externally and pulled in via TCP IP. This means that the same sequence can be used for many different products with minimal operator intervention, reducing the sequence maintenance burden. Audio is often not the only thing being tested on production lines, and TCP IP control allows powerful SoundCheck sequences to seamlessly integrate into full production test suites.